Craving a cozy little dessert? You don't need to step out. You can bake this Nutella bowl cake right at home in just 1 minute. No fancy tools, no fancy ingredients, just simple love in a bowl. It is so soft, so chocolatey, it honestly feels like a little piece of heaven. Perfect for those sugar cravings when you need something fast and satisfying. Give it a try, and if it made your day sweeter, do share your experience with me. Happy baking!